Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. As you can see on the thumbnail, this tutorial is about how to mention page name on Facebook post. But before we start, paki-like naman ang videong ito and subscribe naman dyan. Alright, so let's start after this intro. Anyway, hindi lang yung page mo ang pwede mong i-mention, kundi pwede rin yung ibang page name or even mention person's name. At pwede mo itong gawin o ma-apply itong tutorial na ito both sa iyong personal Facebook account or even posting sa iyong Facebook page. So, here's how to do it. Okay, so punta ako sa Facebook profile ko guys. For example, ipo-promote ko or i-mention ko yung page ko dito. Kasi my page ako guys is about gifts and surprises. Okay, so tignan natin ang post ko. So ito yung post ko lately guys. Marami kasi kaming harana lately or mga surprises. For example, this post of mine. Okay? So ito yung page ko, harana gifts and surprises. So na-mention ko dito. As you can see, blue, naka-blue siya. So that means pag i-click mo yan, automatic mapupunta ka sa page ko. Okay, so hanap ako na ibang post ko guys na na-mention ko yung page ko. This one. So, ito yung one of our surprises. So, ito, na-mention ko yung page. Ngayon, ituturo ko sa inyo on how to mention page name on Facebook post. Okay, so balik tayo dito. Okay, so i-click mo itong what's on your mind. Okay? So, for example, ito yung ipopost ko guys. Ito yung harana namin nung last Sunday. Okay, mag-post ako ng picture. Picture namin after the harana. Kasi nangaharana kami guys sa mga birthday, anniversary, or any special occasions. Okay, so lagyan ko lang ng caption. And then dito na sa baba, i-mention ko na yung page ko. Okay, ayun guys. Para ma-mention yung page mo, ito na ha. Lagyan mo ng @ Okay, so ito. Lagyan mo ng @ Okay? Tingnan nyo. Lumalabas na yung mga friend ko. Okay, so since yung Facebook page ko yung i-mention ko, so, di ba, ang pangalan ng page ko is Harana Gifts and Surprises. So, ito-type ko na dito yung Harana. Harana. O, yan. Okay, so just in case hindi pa lalabas yung page mo guys, so, i-type mo lang yung whole name. Okay? Okay, so ito guys. Pero, sa baba, madaming page, no? Nalalabas about harana din. But since this is my page, so ito yung i-click ko. So yun na. Alright, so for example, may mention ka na person's name. Gaya ng ginawa ko kanina, lagyan mo ng @ no? Bago mo i-type yung name niya, lagyan mo ng @ okay? For example, yung singer ko or haranista ko. Okay, pangalan niya is 𝗙𝗵𝗲. Okay, so ito. Click ko to guys. And then after that, i-click mo itong post. Okay, so ito yun. Diba? Naka-blue. Example, i-click mo itong page na to, direct ka mapupunta sa page ko. Diba? Ito yung page ko, guys. Alright, so this time, guys, pupunta naman ako sa page ko. Okay, so para ipakita ko sa inyo on how to mention page name on your Facebook post. So, gaya yung ginawa natin kanina, mag-post tayo dito. What's on your mind? Then, hanap ka ng photo or video. Okay, so for example, this one. I-mention ko naman ngayon yung partner ko na flower shop. For example, lagyan ko ng caption. Caption ko dito is 100K bouquet. And then, i-mention ko dito sa baba yung partner ko na flower shop. Okay, so gaya ng ginawa ko kanina guys. So, before mo i-type yung page name na i-mention mo, so i-click mo muna itong @ Okay? And then, ito yung partner ko na flower shop guys. 𝗪𝗪𝗶 flower shop. Okay? Nandito na. So, i-click ko na lang to guys. Okay, so i-click itong next. Post now. Alright, so nandito na guys. Ito na ang post ko. Okay, so pag i-click mo to, automatic mapupunta ka sa page niya. Ito yung page niya ng flower shop na partner ko. So yun, ganun lang kadali guys. Alright, so that's all for today guys. If you learned something from this tutorial, please like this video and subscribe naman dyan. Alright guys, thanks for subscribing. God bless and enjoy life.